you serious? What is your problem? Huh? You want to kill me?
Young man, what is wrong with you? Do you have a death wish or something? Why are you catwalking along?
Why were you not watching where you're going?
No, but, like you were watching where you were going to. This is a straight road for crying out loud.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm frustrated. I wasn't looking.
A young man like you frustrated. What for? This is dirty. I need this cleaned right away.
Okay, man, I'll get someone to clean it quickly.
Why? You're right here. Clean it.
Ma, but this is not part of my job.
Your job is what I say it is. Now, clean or leave.
Okay, ma, I'll do that.
Better. Oh, when do I have the interview with Greenberg Media?
This afternoon, Mom.
Perfect. Why is he standing there?
Right away, Mom.
Good.
Sorry for the delay. That's a nice pose. Why not try bringing
Don't even
sorry,
touch me.
Sorry, I forgot.
Just try the perfect. Perfect. That's what I need.
Okay.
Alright. You will love this picture.
Can you just give me
Hey,
this?
hold on. Don't order me around. Jay, did someone die? No, because I think you must be dead for calling me in the middle of a shoot. Don't you ever call me when I'm shooting. I said specifically, do not interrupt my shoot. Simple instruction. Don't mind the dead man. Come on, stay there. Stay there.
So can you just try and...
Don't touch me! Just say turn around. It's as simple as that.
But it's for you to get it
Please,
right.
just take a picture, please.
Sorry, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Wow, yeah. Put it there.
Fuck! What is wrong with you? You know what? don't know what I'm doing here. This is a sham of a studio. I can't deal with shenanigans like you. I can't deal with this. Shush! Shush! Get out of my way. Get out. Click, 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 click.
You're not getting your money back.
Are you stupid? Don't ever on your own.
Non-refundable. You're not getting your money back. What kind of card?
Oh, baby.
Whoa. I can see you're ready for me, baby.
Always, puppy. Babe,
Hello.
what are you doing?
I'm leaving. I have a photo shoot with Green Peg Studios and magazine.
Did you forget you were supposed to watch my movie with me today?
Your movie? Oh, sorry, what movie was that again?
Really?
Come on, I said I'm sorry. Okay, help me out. I really can't recall right now.
Fine. The one that came out on Nell Glamour.
Oh. I'm so sorry, okay? I mean, pardon my manners, escaped my mind. That one. Sorry, babe, I can't go with you today. Okay, maybe some other time. Please.
So I'm just gonna be by myself, just like every other night.
Come on, babe. Don't be like that, okay? I have work. Okay, I have that interview with Alpha TV today. I also have the photo shoot with Green Peg Studios and magazine. Come on, my schedule is just so jam-packed and clustered. I'm so sorry. Please?
Eric,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not jobless. I work too.
Okay.
But I tend to make out time for us.
Come on, babe. I make a time for you as well. I mean, I make a time for us. Why you make it look as if I'm selfish? Look, you know too well that I am bigger than you in this industry. I don't have all the luxury of time to give. I mean, you're just coming up. You should know that. All right? Please, some other time. So, if you permit me, I will have to go. And maybe we'll schedule for some other time. All right?
Fine. You can leave.
That's my baby. All right. Thank you, babe. I love you. All right, see you.
There are rumors that you're in a relationship with Shani and Debayo. How true is that?
Come on. Where did you get that from? Come on, that's not true. Look, I am very much single. Okay, in fact, I don't want to talk about that.
And the next question.
What a day. I'm super tired.
I just need fresh juice.
And maybe some nuts, yeah?
I don't know.
Okay. Jay, take off my shoes.
Sorry?
Last time I checked, you were not deaf. I said take off my shoes.
I'm sorry, ma, I can't. And at home, I don't even take off my wife's shoes at home.
How dare you talk back at me?
All I said is that I'm not going to take off your shoes. I didn't say anything wrong. You dare raise your hand on me? You mad woman.
Can you stop this? Stop it!
I pity the man that is going to settle with you.
Stop it! Okay? Stop it!
Mad woman.
Leave.
Now listen to me. You will pay for this.
Get out!
You will definitely pay for this.
Get out! Take your bad breath and get out of this place, animal.
Why are you like this?
What?
Stop it! Why do you do?
Stop what exactly? Listen, Mercy. I can treat them however I want to. I am the reason he feeds. I put a roof over his head so I can treat him or whoever I please. Whatever way I feel.
No, you have to stop. Come on. What will your mom say? Stop this.
Don't you dare talk about my mother. Don't bring her into this. Don't you do that.
You know what? Stop this. I'm just imagining how your mom is going to feel if she was here to see the way you treat people. You are where you are. It's not by your power. It's not by your grace. Treat people with respect. Stop it.
Well, in my defense, where is she now? It was her niceness that got her killed, isn't it?
Shan, this is like the 4th PA we are hiring in 3 months now. You keep chasing them away with your attitude.
Then for God's sake, just be my PA.
I can never be your PA. I am your manager. I can't be your PA. Come on. So now we should start looking for PA again? What is all this?
Fine, I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry. I mean, you need to work on your attitude. Work on your character. Okay? You don't have to apologize to me.
I can't deal with you right now.
I'm still talking.
No, don't listen to you chastise me,
you.
Mercy. I won't.
Jesus Christ. What's going on with this girl? Oh my God.
Perfect. Beautiful. Look at those jaws. Those lips. You are such a queen, girl. Perfect. Queen of the screens. Come. Come.
Look at you. You're so obsessed with yourself.
I know. But come on, who wouldn't? Take a look at that face. Isn't she gorgeous? She's so perfect.
I know. Girl, you still need a PA. Managing you and doing other stuffs is really weighing me down.
But why is it so hard to get someone?
You know, you have a very bad reputation. Everyone around you know you to be a very terrible boss.
Ouch. That hurts.
Girl, you need to treat people with love and respect. You're making my job more difficult than it is already.
Girl, but I treat you with respect. I love you.
Of course. You don't have choice. Because you know the kind of person I am. I don't take bullshit from anybody, not even you.
Okay, fine. I will learn to treat people better and be a better boss.
Better. About your movie, Silent Earth, that is premiering today. I am sending your makeup artist and your stylist. You need to get ready before 5 p.m.
Of course.
And I'm not feeling fine. I have to rush to the clinic.
Oh my word. How am I going to cope with everything?
Girl, you just have to. I'll be right back. Don't forget, health is wealth. I need to take care of my body. Okay? I'll be back before you know it.
Okay, that's fine. I'll miss you though.
Same. Please don't forget. Get ready before 5 p.m. I'll also call you.
Ekis.
Bye.
Ekis. Make sure you come back quickly, okay? What am I going to do? How do I pick out my shoes? Oh my God. The design, she didn't even pick a design for me. She gave me 3 dresses. How am I going to choose? What parts would I carry? Oh no, I'm a disaster. This is so good. It's gonna... Okay, calm down, Shania. I can't handle it. I can't. You can't do this to me. How do you expect me to function without you? No. You cannot fall sick. How dare you fall sick? Who gave you the right to fall sick? How do I even pick up my shoes? How do I pick out shoes to wear today? What do I wear? Oh no, I'm nothing without Mercy. I'm useless without her. Oh no. Oh, Mercy, can you just get well and come help me? Oh my God. Hello? Yes, this is Shania. Oh no. Fuck. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh shit. Yes, I remember, of course. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a disaster. Hello? Yeah, I remember. Thank you. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay. Yeah. Mercy, please, you have to come back. Hello? Yes. Perfect, everything's fine. Thank you. Mercy. Mercy. Please, you have to come back. Okay, here's what. I need to get myself a PA ASAP, at least before Mercy comes back. I need one. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare ring. Don't. I won't go mad. I can handle this. Yes, I can. Okay. How do I go? How does she do all of this? I need help. Help me.
Oi! Are you serious? What is your problem? Huh? You want to kill me?
Young man, what is wrong with you? Do you have a death wish or something? Why are you catwalking along?
Why were you not watching where you're going?
No, but like you were watching when you were going to. This is a straight road for crying out loud.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm frustrated. I wasn't looking.
A young man like you frustrated. What for?
Look, I went job hunting and I didn't get it. So please do not add to it. All right?
Oh, I'm sorry. I also wasn't really looking.
Look, never mind. I have to go. I lost
hold
my
on.
job.
Is that a CV? What's that? You have a file with you?
I lost my job and I'm frustrated. Okay, I have to go.
Hold on. You know what? I'm actually looking for someone to work with me. Just get into the car because I'm in a hurry.
Work for you for what?
Get into the car. I'm going to explain.
What if you're a kidnapper? I should get into your car. Are you kidding me?
You're a guy.
This is Nigeria.
Oh, for God's sake. Keep your pride aside. You need a job. Come in and I'll tell you about it. Get in. Okay, fine. As my PA.
It's your PA.
It's good money. Get in and I'll tell you about it. Young man, you don't need to be proud. Get in. Will you get in?
Oh my gosh.
Well, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine.
Hey.
You look exhausted. How was the job hunting?
It went well. I got the job.
Yay! Good news!
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't look quite excited. What's wrong?
Well, I allowed my desperation to accept the job and my regret later.
What job is that?
I took a job of a PA.
A PA?
Yes. Today is day one and she put me through hell already.
Wait, you resumed already?
Yes, immediately.
Well, PA jobs are quite demanding. Hope you know that.
Yeah, I know. But guess what?
What?
Guess who my boss is?
No, I'm not good at guessing, so who?
I didn't even know who she was until I looked her up when I was coming home.
Okay.
Shania Adebayo.
Wait! The famous one, the actor?
The one and only.
Oh my... Bro, please. She's my idol. See, let me come and visit in your office. Maybe bring you food.
Come to my office for what? Huh?
Just to...
You want them to fire me?
I can't come and visit my brother again.
No. Don't bring your rashness to my office, please.
Bro.
But you need to see her. She's fine. She looks like a goddess. Hey.
Hey, my brother is Smith, you know.
Who be that?
You now.
Please. She's way out of my league.
Story.
But guess what? She called me handsome more and still walked me like a boy.
What do you expect before? Wait, you're very funny. Wait, because you're cute, you think you cannot walk. How will she pay you? You better focus and stop crushing.
Yeah. You that your woman said when you see her, you crush.
Story. There's no saving you in this one, no. There is no saving. Let me go and get your food. I pray you enjoy working with her.
I pray so too.
Okay.
Get me food, I beg.
Famous Shania.
Now when I talk, you jump, oh.
Of course.
Because now, money is coming.
Honestly, I told you maybe this is a good man.
And that's why I added more money.
I told you!
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Larry. I've been waiting for you. Anyway, I need you to help me draw up a plan with that pitch I have with Nel Glamour TV.
Okay, I will get to it right away.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Why are you drooling that much?
Who is that guy?
My PA.
Wait, is this the guy you told me about, the one you bumped into on the road?
Yeah.
It's a lie. The guy is so cute.
I have eyes, I'm not blind. He's just an employee, come on.
Wait, just tell me the truth. How did you get that guy to work for you? Because if I were you, I'll be all over him like, so cute.
You have such a dirty and a nasty mind.
I know.
Oh, please. Well, actually, He's a software engineer. Yeah. But you know how it is in this country.
Yeah.
Jobs are so difficult to get.
Oh.
Being the good Samaritan that I am, I decided to employ him.
Wow, that's a nice one.
I know.
But I pity that guy. Yes, that guy. Go young way for your aunt.
Mercy.
What?
You're not merciful at all. I am a nice person.
Nice person, my... Sorry, you're a nice person. I know.
I am a nice person.
Miss Nice Person.
Really nice.
You look so good.
Don't you look at me like that ever again. You are not in my class. You are not even allowed to admire me. Talk of drool over me. It is disgusting for someone beneath me to look at me like that.
I'm so sorry.
Don't keep me waiting. Ileri,
Yes, ma'am.
what's keeping you? What's keeping the food?
The food is already served by the time.
You can see I'm seated here. Bring it here.
Is it? Sorry.
I didn't employ a deaf person.
I'll bring it.
Why isn't he taking his calls? I don't see a tray. You need to be smart. Think smart. Use your head. I need to tell him everything. He has a big head, but he won't use it.
Easy. Watch your step.
You're such a gentleman. Ooh. So kind. And your face looks really good. You're handsome.
Ma'am, you're drunk. Can I just take you upstairs, please?
Will you come with me?
No. For what? Jesus Christ.
You're lost. You're lost. It's your loss.
Wait, let me just... Hold on, please.
Oh.
Can I take you upstairs?
You don't have to if you don't want to. I know you don't want to be here.
No, I just want to take you so you can sleep, okay?
And who says I want to sleep? Oh, this just looks like a scene from the movies. I heard this spinning. Let's see what the news has got for me today. Okie dokie.
Good morning.
Huh? What are you doing here?
Good morning. I made you coffee.
Still doesn't answer my question. What are you doing here?
So last night we came home very late and you were so drunk.
Drunk? Wait. Oh my God. Drunk. Did we,
Hell no. God forbid.
What do you mean, God forbid? That's harsh. Are you not attracted to me?
You're my boss. Are you okay? Your coffee?
Yeah. So why are you in my house?
Like I was saying, we got back very late and I couldn't go home, so I decided to sleep here in the living room. Ma'am?
Oh, yes. Yeah, thank you. Yes. Shania, what is wrong with you? No. No. You cannot think about him that way. He's beneath you. Yes, he's beneath me. He's not in my class. He can only feed and clothe himself because of the salary I pay him. And nothing more. He's nothing. Oh, Shania, you can't think about him like that. Stop. Okay. No. Whatever this is, it has to go. It has to die. He's nothing. Classless. Yes, classless.
All right. Good morning, ma'am.
Why are you just coming in at this time? And your shirt? Why is it looking unironed? What's this? Why are you dressed like this? Look at how rough it looks. And your trousers, oh my God. This is dreadful. Oh, the hair. I've been meaning to talk about your hair. Why is your hair looking like this? It has to be shiny. Come on, if you cannot keep this look, then cut it off. Or better yet, get a comb.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but there was no light before I came to work, so I couldn't iron. And my hair, it has always been this way. It has always looked like this. I never envisaged myself working in an office. I'm a software engineer. I don't know what else to do.
You dare to stand there, look me in the eye and tell me what you envisaged your life to be? I don't give a hoot. This is entertainment. This is showbiz. If you want to remain working as my PA, then you need to look the part, dress the part, be the part. You don't come here looking like you just got out from a cave. This is horrible. I need your trousers well ironed, stashed and ironed properly. I need to see the lines.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Don't be sorry. Just get out of this place. Go make yourself useful. Get out. Get me a cup of coffee or something. Leave already. It won't happen again indeed.
Got it. This is what I'm telling
That's
you.
not...
But this is it. I'm telling you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh my God. You look so good.
Thank you.
Well, all thanks to me. I know just the right words to use to make someone fall in line.
Well, that's true. She actually instructed me to dress well.
I know. I mean, if you keep looking this good, I might actually forget you're my colleague.
Don't mind her, she's just teasing. About my shoot for today, Do you have everything ready? Everything that we needed for the shoot?
Say the word and I'll get everything ready.
You know what? Just go upstairs. You see the stuff on the bed? Get them into the car. Then wait for me. I will join you in a moment.
Okay, sure.
Yo, he's so cute. I mean, if that guy has money, he will be 10 over 10 minus nothing. I mean, it's quite a catch. I feel like rushing him.
Hold that thought.
Why?
None of that. Don't even think about it.
Why?
Because he is my employee.
Oh, please.
Yes, and you need to maintain a business relationship with all staff.
Excuse you? I mean, it's something I can just do on a low without you noticing.
Okay. You need to tone it down. That's my employee we're talking about.
So when you mend and talk down in front of me. But honestly, you need to stop this life. That guy is a nice guy.
He is an employee. He needs to know his place. Come on. Besides, I don't like the way he looks at me. He looks at me like he's in love with me or... Besides, I don't want to... Never mind, never mind.
Ooh. So you now interpret looks. I didn't know you have this skill.
Well, he should just do his job and just avoid me. Everything will be perfect.
Poor guy. I just pity for the poor guy.
Like what I was telling you.
Anyway, no, you have to listen. This is the best.
It's final. Yes, thank you.
If you say so.
I do say so.
Hey, bro.
What are you doing here?
I came to visit my brother, of course.
What? Look, this is not a good time. I'm very busy. Can you just go home?
No.
Hilary.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
See my boss.
Answer her. Go and answer her.
Is she your friend?
Yes.
I said go home.
No, not going.
Mother,
Please.
what's your problem? You put me in trouble.
No. Shania!
No, don't, please. What's this? Don't you even dare touch me. What's this?
I was actually going...
You were what exactly? You left me inside. Don't you know how important it is for me to get that work done? And you're here chatting with this... I don't want to get into that. What is wrong with you? Are you stupid? Don't you know how this is important to me?
Is that the... Wait, bro, is that the way she speaks to you?
Made, no. Stop.
What the hell are you?
Is that the way you talk to your employees?
Made.
No, bro. Wait, let me talk to this fool. Is something wrong with you?
Made.
Eh? See, you shut up. Let me talk. You have to listen to me. You used to be my idol. But right now, I can see a very different side of you. You're very terrible. Just like the roles they give you in the movies. But you know what? I regret setting my eyes on you. Nonsense.
Shush.
Please.
Shush. Look at her. Why do I even want to waste my time on someone who looks like a man? Please, as for you, stop bringing riffraff into my office.
I am so sorry.
No, you're not sorry. Because you do all these little petty things all the time and it irritates me. What's this? You bring someone here to insult me. Who do you think I am?
Bring somebody to insult you. No, please.
Will you get my door?
She's so bossy, so mean, and so she looks down on everybody, yeah. They can't be right. I said she's so bossy, so mean, and so full of her say, and she's living a fact.
Listen, use the picture I asked you to use, okay? It is what I say it is. Perfect.
I have finished arranging everything. I would like to take my leave.
No, you're not going anywhere. Listen, I still have an appearance to make at Club Ziska tonight, okay?
I am sorry I'm not coming with you.
What's that supposed to mean?
For 3 days, I have not slept. We stay up all night at the nightclub. My contract says I close at 8. This is past 8 p.m.
You close when I say you close. You have a roof over your head because I pay you. If not, you'll be on the streets begging for scraps.
You talk to me disrespectfully, yet you want me to work overtime. That is not going to happen.
I see I've been too lenient with you.
Look, if you want me to work overtime, you respect me and you pay me more.
Where do you think you're going?
Home.
You're not going anywhere.
Watch me.
What?
Bro, why would you let that thing speak to you the way she did?
Let it go, sis.
I can't. I can't let a fellow woman like me disrespect my older brother. No.
What would you have me do? Huh? Tell me. What do you want me to do? I have been jobless for over a year. It has been very hard for us. We have been surviving on your salary. You want me to quit my job because my boss is being a jerk?
Isn't that good reason enough? Isn't it?
Sis, no be respect a good job. I am a man. And I will not sit and watch you feed me because someone disrespected me.
So you would rather be disrespected? Is that what you're trying to say?
I'll swallow my pride and take it like a man. I don't have a choice. Okay?
You're not serious, are you?
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Bro, we're not done talking. Okay.
She's more of a boss than a queen.
Can you believe what he said to me? He just has an innocent face, but he's rude. And trust me, he will pay for this.
You've started again with this your character. Huh? Give your PS breathing space for crying out loud. You're just trying to make my job difficult for me. Stop it.
Mercy, I am a good person. But I do not believe in being extra nice to people who work for me. Because they'll just take it for granted and probably even hurt me.
Whether you're being rude or mean, it's not going to stop anything. Okay? I mean, are you possessed or something? Huh? You literally begged this guy to work for you. Why are you frustrating him? Why?
It's called being a boss. That's all.
Stop it! It's high time you stop.
No, you don't tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
What are you doing here?
Stop it.
Stay out of this, Mercy. What do you want? Get out. Get out!
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Okay, I really need this job.
You should have thought about this before you spoke to me rudely.
What do you want me to do? Kneel down and beg you?
No, you don't even have to.
I wasn't going to do that. I have my pride.
You see? You see? He's being arrogant. Get out! Get out of this place. Get out!
Look, if you want me to leave, just say it, okay? And I'll leave.
Get out. Get out.
Stop this.
You see? He's been arrogant.
Listen, if you don't stop with this your lifestyle, you're going to regret it.
Don't talk to me like that. If you want to live with him, get out. Leave.
Oh, really?
Yes, leave.
You need to stop.
Leave.
I'm
If
telling
you want
you now.
to. I don't care.
Change. Stop treating people badly.
Ambience.
Oh, goodness. Girl, honestly, I do not like the way you treated that guy moments ago. Do you even think of tomorrow? I mean, you literally watched this guy beg you desperately and you still let him go. Why? I mean, listen, you don't know tomorrow. Life is very unpredictable. Please, you need to learn how to treat people right, okay? Please.
Mercy, I'm trying. I just don't know what comes over me. I don't know. The honest truth is this. I don't like the way I feel about him.
How do you mean?
I think I'm attracted to him.
OMG. Now I see. Is that why you treated him like that?
Please. I treat everyone same way. It's just that with him, I feel guilty afterwards.
This is interesting.
Oh, gosh. I don't know what's wrong with me. Am I sick?
It's okay, you're human. I understand how you feel. I mean, he's a handsome looking guy. Who wouldn't like him? But you need to stop treating him like that. Do you understand me? It will still not kill the feelings you have for him. Rather, it will continue to grow. You know, right?
Do you know, I actually thought that if I talk down on him enough, then I will realize that he's beneath me.
Really? So now you want to be under him, hmm? Yes.
You are so dirty!
No, but you know I'm always saying the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Oh my God.
Any messages?
Let me get the door.
Oh. You? What the hell are you doing here?
They swear for you. You dey my house, see they ask me what they do for my house. I think you know where. They swear for you. Lori Brukunye.
Hilary.
Where do you think you're going to? See, you see all those your nonsense. You can do it in your house or in your office, but you can't try it here. You can't bring that your madness into my own house. You can't. I said, get out! You know the year word. I go push you, I dey craze so.
Imade, go inside.
Bro.
Just go inside.
If she tries nonsense, call me. You get locked today.
Why are you here?
I actually came to apologize, but it's not really easy for me to say sorry.
Okay. When you're ready to say sorry, you can come back.
No, wait! Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Why do you disrespect me at every chance you get? Do you know what it does to my ego?
Okay, I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
You're telling me that it's not going to happen again?
It won't. It won't.
Okay.
So you'll be coming back to work tomorrow. I'll be expecting you.
Wait, let me ask you. How are you planning on paying this guy his salary? You know we don't even have enough funds to pay him. But wait, how did you even agree on paying him 150k per month? Or are you planning on paying him from your purse?
Well, things have been so slow this month.
Not just this month, since 2 months now. I was hoping things would pick up. All your movies in cinemas and other streaming platforms have been a flop. Girl, at this point, you need to cut down on your flamboyant lifestyle. Learn how to treat your staff nicer so that they will consider you when you don't have money to pay them at the end of the month.
Well, I need to find something to do soon.
You also need to stop with your shopping spree.
A
You need
girl
to...
has got to keep up with appearances.
Listen, at this point, you need to return that rented SUV and start using your own car.
What? No! How do I get big deals if seen in that thing?
Paying the rental of that car is taking too much funds. You also need to cut down on your flamboyant lifestyle.
Mercy. But I've been getting paid for appearances, haven't I?
But it is not enough to sustain you. You live like you're Beyonce. You literally buy everything you set your eyes on. If you continue like this, you're going to run yourself into the ground.
Then maybe I should ask Eric for some money.
Just put yourself out there, you know. Something might come up.
Don't even come. How dare you touch me? Who asked you to put your hands on me?
I was only trying to help.
Did I ask for your help? You just want to put your hands on me. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, I guess next time I'll just leave you to fall.
What? Why are you being rude to me? What's wrong? Are you mad? What's this?
What do you want from me?
Just stay the hell away from me.
But I'm a PA, how do I do that?
You know what? I do not have time for meaningless banters. What are you still standing there for? Open this door. Do I need to tell you everything?
I'm sorry.
Ah!
Babe,
Yeah?
I wanted us to talk.
So, all right, so you have to make it fast, okay? You have
Right.
to be at the location.
What?
Yes?
What? You just got here.
Come on, babe, I've been here for like an hour now. Why are you saying that?
Did you just come here to have a quickie and run off?
Babe, I come here because I want to be with my girl. Okay?
Your girl. Yet you tell the whole world that you're single.
Well, that. Why are you getting worked up over that? Look, I told you that I want us to keep this secret. Okay? I don't want bad eyes to come into this relationship and ruin what we share together. All right?
Okay.
All right. You said you wanted to say yeah?
Yeah. Babe,
Yeah, what's that?
I need a loan.
A loan? So how much are we looking at?
Say 3 million. Nothing
What?
serious.
3 million, Shania. Where do you expect me to get such amount of money from?
Babe, please. No jokes. Just, I need
Shania,
it.
please, I don't have such amount of money, okay? I need to take a shower and rush to the location. Be at the location. I don't have such amount of money. Okay? Please. Be with you soon.
A car?
Good morning, ma'am. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. It's hard, you know, being Shania.
Did you sleep here?
I practically drank myself to sleep. It's difficult finding someone who loves you for you. I asked him for a loan. I was going to pay back. But he told me he didn't have. And I saw a text message on his phone from another woman thanking him for a car. A damn car. You know what's more difficult? Making honest money. And I will not be pushed into selling my body for money. I'm sorry, Hilary, for all the times I've treated you badly.
It's okay. I don't hold it against you.
You're a good man. You're kind. And you're patient. Yet I've been incredibly tolerant.
Well, my mom taught me to be nice to everyone despite how they are. Not everyone is bad. The world made some like that.
The world. You know what? My mom was a good woman. She was beautiful, kind. You would have liked her. But she missed just one little thing. She never knew that the world you talked about is evil. That was her only problem. She was far too kind, especially to her employees. They killed her and left me an orphan at 14.
I am so sorry that had to happen to you.
Then I made a promise to myself that I would never be nice to any employee. But you're different. You're a good person.
Thank you. Ma'am, you have a meeting with Stay Fit in an hour.
Oh, damn. I guess I'll have to get ready then.
Yeah. And I'll make coffee for you to help with the hangover.
Sure.
Can I help you?
Thanks for listening to me, Larry.
Sure. Let me get the coffee.
Fantastic. Romantic.
Have you seen this?
Seen what?
This. Check.
Can you calm down? Let me watch it. Jesus.
What's this? How did this get out?
Jay did it. Yeah. He's been talking about how terrible it is working with you. I mean, this is going to ruin a lot of things. There's this outrage online. People talking about how you're bullying and hitting your workers.
I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Okay. What does he want?
You remember? He specifically told you you're going to pay for everything you did to him. For maltreating him, that you're going to pay. You remember him saying that, ne?
How in the world did he get those videos?
You know, all this was a plan to bring you down. He intentionally came here to work for you, to see things himself. You remember that young girl, Isioma?
No, I don't remember her.
Come on, the fair, choppy girl. I mean, the girl you accused of stealing your gold necklace and had her locked up.
Yeah, I remember now.
And we later found out she was innocent, that you misplaced your gold necklace. And yet, you let her rot in that dungeon for 2 months. 2 good months. Well, her life never remained the same after the ordeal.
Yeah. What has that got to do with anything?
Well, she had a small accident in the cell.
What do you mean she had a small accident in the cell?
Yes. Jay has been granting interviews on how you falsely accused the sister and had her imprisoned. The whole thing had her mentally fucked up.
Jesus. Mentally?
Yes.
How?
Well, she dislocated her hips and got addicted to the painkillers that was prescribed for her.
Jesus.
And it turned her to a junkie. She's now a drug addict.
I am finished. I am finished. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, what do I do? I can't believe this. You mean to tell me that I did that to someone? Oh no. I am a terrible person.
Of course you are.
I ruined a life. I just ruined someone. Oh no, oh my God, what do I do? But Mercy, is there nothing you can do? Like, talk to him?
There's nothing I can do. You just have to go into hiding, okay? As I'm talking to you now, there are so many people out there in your house waiting to have your head, and the pressed men are there to cover it. I don't know what else to do.
I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. This will end me. No, I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this.
wish I can make things up with you and show you that I'm sorry. I know I've wronged you so many times. I know I messed up. I know I feel bad. But now I realize you're not
Hello,
Where are you?
please come get me. I'm scared. I'm at a club. Hub?
I'm coming, okay?
Don't tell me you're leaving by this time of the night.
She needs my help.
What is it with this lady? Are you in love with her?
I just want to help her, okay?
Okay. How do you even get there? It's 1 a.m. for Christ's sake.
I'll find a way. Don't worry, I'll find a way. Go to bed.
Just be careful.
I'll be fine.
You
okay?
You came.
Yes.
Why are you this kind to me?
It's late. We have to get out of here.
I'm truly sorry.
Don't worry about that. We have to go, okay? Where are the keys? Huh?
Keys.
Here. Where did you park?
The keys.
Yes, the car keys. Where did you park? Huh?
Huh?
Is it this way or that way? Huh? We have to go. You need to tell me where you park.
Way.
Huh? Which way? That way?
Okay. Watch your step. Just watch your step, yeah? Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you have to. Hold on.
But I'm not. Oh my god, I've been kidnapped. Oh my god. Where am I? Where's this place?
Good morning. I couldn't take you home last night. It is not safe for you, so I brought you here.
Is this place, by any chance, your house? You should have asked me before bringing me here. How can you bring me to such a dirty place? This place is so small. It's choking me. I feel like I can't breathe. It's irritating. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Did I sleep all night on this dirty mattress? Yeah, did I? Oh my god, my skin.
I couldn't leave you out there on the
You should have
streets.
just left me! How dare you bring me to such a small place? This place is...
The least you could have done is to be grateful to him and stop making a fuss about everything. I mean, my brother here goes all out for you. And yet you still have the guts to speak to him the way you do. What has he ever done to you? No, please. It's not okay. He risked his life for you. Yes, he left here around 1 a.m. to God knows where. And then you have the guts to call his house dirty. Is something wrong with you? I wonder why you tolerate this girl.
Hilary, I'm sorry.
God.
Oh, my shoes, my bag. Did you steal it? Thank God you're here. I was waiting.
I'm so sorry. You know, I was busy doing damage control, okay?
I know. Oh, okay. What's the plan? Because obviously I can stay here.
Why? No way. Don't even think of coming to my place because, girl, I live in 2-bedroom apartment with my siblings and my mom. There's no way you can come to my house.
No, your house is too full.
Of course you know.
Okay, how about a hotel? Yes, let's get a hotel.
A hotel? But you know we don't have enough funds for that.
Oh.
You and I know the kind of hotel you like. Besides, we don't know when and if you land another job.
Oh my God, I can't. See,
Girl, this place is enough.
I can't stay here. Do you see how small this place is? It feels like I can't breathe. I'm just choked. You should see the bathroom. I can't even fit in.
You just have to.
Can you calm? They don't have a fridge.
Calm down. What are you even expecting?
Okay.
This is someone that is trying to help you here. You can't talk down on his house like that.
Sorry.
Fine. So, what's up? What about Eric?
I've been calling. He's not taking my calls. I sent a message. He just responded that he was out of the country. Can you imagine?
Okay, so don't you have keys to his house?
Keys?
Keys. Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you? You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
So,
Yeah, so thank you so much for harboring my friend here. I really appreciate your efforts.
it's okay. So, what's the way forward?
The way forward is she stays around for now until everything pipes down. What? No. I can't. You out.
She doesn't want to stay here. Is it possible to get a hotel or something?
A hotel? No, I mean, we don't have enough funds for that. She stays here for now. Besides, we don't even know when the whole thing is going to go down. So, we are cool. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Superstar, food is ready. Is that not who you are? You derive joy in making your staff suffer. You're here shedding crocodile tears. Evil manipulator. Don't break my brother's door. Nonsense. After now, you say he's wretched. Rubbish. You're crying. Take water.
Thank you.
So how did your interview go?
I want to say it went well, but I'm not so hopeful.
Okay. Hope she has paid you for the 2 months you worked.
Yes, she has. And she still owes me some money for this month. Speaking of her, where is she?
She's inside. She has been crying since.
Crying?
Yes. And she has even refused to eat. I don't know. Come on, get you your own food.
Go away.
It's me. Are you okay?
It feels good to see you.
I was told you haven't had anything to eat today.
I'm not hungry.
I know you. You don't play with food.
Well, I wanted to, but I don't have appetite for anything. My whole world is falling apart. My life, my career, everything is sinking. And it feels like no one can save me.
Hey, very soon all this shall pass. Okay? People will forget about it and move on with their lives. Something new will pop up and catch their interest.
I sincerely hope so. Because this is the only means of livelihood for me. What do I do? How do I survive? Where do I start from?
You are a strong woman and you can beat this. But you need strength to do it. I'll get you something to eat.
No, not that thing your sister made.
Okay. I will order something for you.
Okay. You can use my ATM card.
No, don't worry. It's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Chill. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right.
I overheard you telling her that you handle it. Why are you asking me for money?
She needs a special kind of food. At least let me buy that for her.
Bro, when would you understand that things like this doesn't work? I mean, this relationship is not going to work. She doesn't love you.
I am not gunning for a relationship. She's my boss.
And yet you want to get her food worth 20,000 naira. Not minding that I prepared food in this house and gave to her and she rejected it.
I just need some money to buy food for her.
I will lend you the money. But know it that things like this doesn't work.
I just want to take care of her, that's all.
Continue telling yourself that. I will transfer the money to you.
Oh my god. This? Thank you for getting my favorite flavor of ice cream. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Oh. Ma'am? Come on, Shania. Call me Shania. After all, I'm no longer your boss. You're not my employee. We're friends. Okay?
Friends.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Mm. Thank you. Oh. Mm. It's been weeks. I still don't know what to say.
Mercy already put out an apology. You don't have to say anything if you're not ready.
I do. I want to. I want to apologize to everyone I've hurt, including you.
I already forgave you.
But the others out there haven't.
That will take a while for that to happen.
I just want to own up and take responsibility for all my actions.
You don't have to. You know, how about we go watch a movie?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, let's go. You can act.
Thank you. No one has ever said that to me before.
Wow. You actually killed the scene. What are you doing?
I'm picking my stuffs and I'm getting out of this place.
It is not safe to be out there.
I am tired. I'm tired of being cooked up in here.
I'm sorry.
Shania, I'm sorry I kissed you. I shouldn't have.
No, I kissed you. And I don't know what came over me. I shouldn't have done it.
Yeah. I know you shouldn't have done it with me.
That's not what I meant.
I know exactly what you meant, Shania. I am way out of your league and I know. But I can't help the feeling I am feeling, and so can you. Where are you gonna go?
To my boyfriend, Eric.
Really? To the same guy that doesn't give a shit about you? Has he for once come here to see you? To see how you're faring? All he does is call you on the phone. Believe me, you're alone in this relationship. You're dating yourself.
What gives you the right? What makes you think you can be a judge over my life? Simply because we shared a kiss? We can never be together. We're worlds apart.
We're 2 feet apart from each other. You and I, in this room. Don't tell me you can't feel the spark shooting through us. Don't tell me we're worlds apart when you can feel me. When you can touch me and kiss me.
People like you and I should never mix. We can never be together.
Shania, this is love. If I know nothing, at least I know this. I have never felt like this for anyone. You're just confused by how you're feeling and you want to run away from it. Give me a chance. I will work hard. I will do anything to make sure I take good care of you. Please, don't go. Please, just listen to me.
Take a good look at this place, Hilary. Just look around you. How will you take care of me? How?
Why can't you see that I can be more? You don't want to fight for me because you're ashamed that I don't match your standard? Can you just stay? Please. Tell me the kiss meant nothing, and I'll let you go. I will never bother you again.
It meant nothing.
Shania.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm to my man's house, of course.
Listen, Shania, it's not ideal to be seen with you at this point in time, okay? You're in a deep mess in your life, so I suggest you go fix it before coming to me. All right?
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Ever since all of this started,
You haven't even come to check up on me. You only send me text messages once in a while. You've not even called me.
Listen, Chanel. It's not my fault that you're a terrible boss, okay? You know, this same nasty attitude got you into this mess, right? You know, I can as well tell the world that you've been abusing me. You know that, right?
How can you be this insensitive?
Eric, baby! Food is ready! What are you doing outside?
Honey, I'm coming, okay? I'll be with you soon, alright? Alright, Chanel. You need to leave now.
Who are you talking to, baby?
Honey, no one. I'm coming. You need to leave, alright? Get off my house. Get off my house.
No, you don't have to touch me.
Out.
Eric, you don't have to do this. Get out of your house. Get out.
Never come here again. Honey, I'm coming, okay? It's just,
Now, wow. Wait till they do this one again. Every time she's running inside and locking door. Does she even know there's only one bedroom that we have here? Make she know they lock us outside though. These are the butters with their yeye attitude. Nonsense. I'm not sorry. Back. What is the problem?
I have always told you, Eric is an asshole. But you preferred to live in a bubble.
He broke me. He broke me, Mercy. He literally chalked down on me. He told me I looked a mess.
You know, I wish I could set my eyes on him right now.
You know, it just made me think. It made me think of how I've always told Larry and the others who worked for me how badly dressed they were, how they looked a mess. Do you know the funny thing? I got a dose of my own medicine. And it was a bitter pill to swallow.
At least you learned something from this experience.
Honestly, Mercy, I have treated people badly. People who worked for me. People I meet on the streets. Especially Larry. He's been nothing but kind to me. He's a good man. And I just pushed him away.
After he's been there for me, I keep pushing him away.
Wait, you pushed him away?
I like him, Mercy.
Oof.
I don't know how it happened, but I know I like him. And I just want to hug him right now and tell him how sorry I am. I'm willing to just open up to love. Tell him I love him or something, you know.
Oh, finally. Tell me, what is there not to like about him? He's a tall, cute, handsome man. Very intelligent. But wait. Don't tell me this is because Eric rejected you.
Eric's rejection just made me realize how much of a fool I had been. Of how I was willing to lose a good man for Eric. I feel so stupid. I feel so stupid right now. I want to tell Larry that I am sorry. Genuinely sorry. I just...
Oh, that's so sweet. You know, love knows no bound. You know, right?
Mercy, I have talked down on Larry too many times. And right now, all he does is avoid me. It's been 2 whole days. I haven't set my eyes on him.
Okay, actually he sent me to come and see you that you're not doing well.
Really? Boy isn't taking my calls.
Why? What happened?
Well, we kissed.
You guys kissed?
We kissed, and I told him it meant nothing, and that we're not in the same class.
What?
Then I left him and went to Eric, of course. I messed up.
You know, men like Ilere comes once in a lifetime. Whatever it is that is the problem, try and fix it. You are a woman. You know what to do.
He's not letting me.
He will if you persist, okay? Believe in yourself. Keep trying. Sorry about.
Hi.
Yes?
It's been some days now. I haven't seen Ilari. I don't know. Do you have an idea where he went to?
He's not home. He went to hustle, so he can make you comfortable in this place you call all sort of names.
Made, I'm sorry. I have been an ungrateful bitch. And I am truly sorry. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
You know, Larry is a good person. Even with the way you treat him. Even though I see that you like him. It's very unfair.
I know. I know.
I know. It's not among the league of guys you roll with in the city. But I will let you know something. That Ileri will work his butt off to give you the life you deserve.
I am so sorry for the way I have treated you and your brother. Please, words are not enough. Just forgive me.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I can go.
Thank you.
Hi. Ileri, I'm so sorry for the way I spoke to you. Sorry.
It's okay.
Listen,
I begged you not to leave me. Not to go to him, but you did. And now you're here because he rejected you, right?
No, it's
Please, don't.
just...
I was there for you every step of the way. When he turned his back and when the world was against you, I was there, but you chose him over me. I will not let you use me again. I will no longer be your puppet.
I ruined everything.
I know I've wronged you so many times. I know I messed up. I know I feel bad. But now I realize you are the treasure God gave to me. And I don't know. And I took you for granted. I'm sorry. Oh, I wish I can turn back the hands of time. Then I will right all my wrongs. I wish I can make things up with you and show you that I'm sorry. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. Then I will right all my wrongs. I wish I can make things up with you and show you that I'm sorry. I know I've wronged you so many times. I know I messed up. I know I feel bad. But now I realize you are the treasure God gave to me. And I don't know. And I took you for granted. I'm sorry. Oh, I wish I can turn back the hands of time. Then I will right all my wrongs. I wish I can make things up with you and I'm sorry.
Yeah! I'm so happy! Jesus! God has finally done it! I'm so happy! God. No.
Calm down now.
No, I can't calm down.
Why can't you calm down?
No. Do you know after how many years? Oh my God. Like, how did he? Shania. What? Are you okay? Come and sit. Okay. My brother just got some American investors to invest in his tech startup. And this one is huge, very huge. I'm so happy.
Wow.
I swear.
That's really great news.
Yes. My brother is now a big boy and I'm proud of him.
Congrats. You deserve this and so much more.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
My heart is full of joy.
Oh.
Bro, we are rich!
Oh, God.
We are rich! Please come.
You know, Jay and others have decided to settle.
Finally. Oh, thank God. Thank God.
But they want 50 million naira.
Jesus. That's a lot of money.
That's the exact amount I realized from the sale of your car and the only land you have.
No.
Is there no other way to go about this?
There is, if only we will sue them for defamation of character and false claims.
No. They have evidences. You might not stand a chance.
And that will mean spending all that money in court.
Yes, and trust me, you will lose.
I think you should settle.
Didn't you hear what she just said? She said that was all I had. It means I will have nothing left. Nothing. Where do I begin? No. No. What do I do? How do I pay my rent? Where do I even start from?
I have agreed to pay your rent, but only on one condition.
Yeah. The condition is that you're going to move in with him and his sister. Yes.
Okay. He's a joke. Wait, you expect me to squat in my own house?
Technically, yes.
Oh, no.
Besides, it is not your house.
Oh, God.
It's a rented apartment. That's the only option you have for now. Moreover, the space is too big. It can contain the three of you.
No.
Okay?
This isn't happening. This isn't happening to me. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What do I do, God?
What are you standing there for? Huh? What is your freaking problem? I'm out there waiting for you to get your things out of this room and you're just standing there. How long is it going to take you to move your things? Do not make me come back here and see you standing there.
video, I'm going to show you how to make a jollof rice recipe, but I've added a very nice twist to it, and I'm certain that you would absolutely love it. Now, for this, you need some diced bell peppers.
I understand. Perfect. Okay, let's make some jollof rice.
I can't believe you made all this.
It wasn't easy, but I tried my best.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I hope he likes it.
Of course he will.
Sure?
Yes, he will. Good morning, bro.
Good morning. I see we have a full house.
Yes.
Good morning. I made breakfast.
I'm not hungry. Thank you.
Bro, please. She has been in the kitchen all morning, even if it's a taste. Please. 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 Thank you.
Can you ever make something? What is this? Huh? You call this food? This? You're such a waste.
See, don't mind him. It's just a little bit salty, but it's manageable. I'm eating it. Don't mind my brother.
Salty? I didn't know. I thought it had, it's just a pinch.
I know. That's why I said it's a little bit. But it's fine. I'm good.
No, you don't have to eat it.
I'm good. I'm enjoying it. Join me. Eat up. Oh, my brother.
I just wanted to do something, right?
It is nice. I'm not complaining. Don't mind my brother, please. Eat.
Hi.
Welcome, bro.
Welcome home. How was work today?
Hey. Have you had your shower today?
You look a mess. A far cry from the woman.
Bro, why now?
You shut up. Go to the car and get my things. Yeah. You need to work on yourself.
Can you not see? Can you not see I am depressed?
And whose fault is it? Huh? After maltreating your staff, did you think about your mental health? Now you know what mental health is. You ruined your life with your own hands.
Why? Why are you saying all of this to me?
Go get a shower. Don't try to touch me.
Are you okay? Are you really okay?
I'm fine.
Look at you. You are a shadow of yourself. You need to put yourself together and go out there.
Mercy. I haven't been getting any job offers or anything. Even after putting out an apology.
Okay.
How are we putting myself out there? Help me.
Okay. Then find something else to do.
With what money exactly? I don't even have a dime to my name. I've never been so broke in my life. You know, yesterday I was just scrolling through my Instagram page and I saw this beautiful dress. Really pretty. I couldn't even afford it.
It's okay. But you have enough clothes. That
That's not
shouldn't
the
be your
point.
problem.
It's not the point, Mercy. I am depressed. I feel like everything is falling apart. Hilary isn't even talking to me. He looks like he doesn't give a hoot about me anymore.
Wait, this is about him?
It's about me too. It's about my life, which is now a mess, by the way. And the man I love.
Love? You love him?
with all my heart, Mercy.
Oof.
I can't breathe when he's close to me. And have you seen how good he looks these days?
That guy is entering my eyes now. He's so cute. What?
Then imagine how I feel. I have him so close, yet I can't even touch him. I can't hold him. I yearn for him. And Mercy, I'm afraid. I don't want to lose him.
It's okay. You have to fight for the man you love. Fight for his attention. Okay? You got this.
Here. It's for you.
You give me 2 million naira.
Yeah.
Thank you. But why?
Well, I help people of lower status and also people in need, unlike you.
Take back your money. I don't want it.
Is that why you want to bring down the house?
You can talk down on me all you want. But have it at the back of your mind that I loved you when you had nothing. I saw you, even when I thought you were dirty. But I let my pride get in the way.
But you chose him over me. Let me ask you this question. If he had accepted you that day, would you have come back to me? Not as much. Do you know how that hurt me? Do you know how much?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Larry. Please, I miss you so much. I miss you.
I'm sorry you're no longer good enough for me. You know I can get any woman I want. Why should I settle with you? Huh?
It hurts to hear you say that to me. But I deserve it. Listen, Larry, something here. I know you know it. I know you can feel it. Please, don't throw me out of your life. Don't throw us away. I can't live without you. I love you.
Months ago, I was dirty, classless, and broke to you. Put yourself in my shoes. Would you date you?
But you're not me. You're a good man. If you are telling yourself the truth, then you will know that I loved you even then. Even when I thought you were dirty. But then again, I let pride get in the way.
I'm sorry I can't do this.
Who's there?
Bro, it's me.
Come in. What's up?
Bro, you have changed.
How?
Is it the money?
What are you talking about?
Why are you treating her the way you do?
What are you driving at?
Okay, see, I know she treated you badly. I know she wronged you. But then this is not you. You're a kind man.
She hurt me. She broke me and I told her I will never forgive her.
But I know you love her.
You think you know me, but you don't.
The more you're doing this, you're hurting yourself as much as you hurt her.
She needs to learn and understand the value of people so she doesn't look down on anyone ever again.
Wait, are you doing this on purpose?
I have an early day tomorrow.
I mean, life itself has taught her a lesson. Stop adding salt to injury.
Well, this is my own way of teaching her how to love regardless or lose it whilst looking into thin air.
I just pray you don't regret this.
Good night.
Good night, bro.
Welcome.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you.
This one, you look so excited. What is it?
I have an interview with one of the top reporters in Africa tomorrow. And it's going to be aired on a very popular TV channel.
Wow!
That means I'll be seen all over the world.
Wow, this is huge. Congrats.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's huge. Oh, and my girlfriend is moving in tomorrow.
Your what?
My girlfriend.
You're joking, right?
Do you have a problem with that?
Oh, you're very annoying.
Shut up. You can't consume what you serve, right? Just this little thing and you're here packing to leave.
I cannot continue to throw myself at a man who clearly doesn't want me.
You're not going anywhere, Shania.
Why? So you want to keep me here and torture me, right? Just go. Go be with your girlfriend and leave me the hell alone.
I want you to be here. I've always wanted to do that. You're not going anywhere.
We are the new guy intake now. And your new app is up there with the likes of Piggy Vest and the rest. What should we expect of you in the next 5 years?
Well, more innovations and investments into other businesses. In the next 5 years, my app will actually take over the banking world. It will be in every nation. It will be a common man's go-to for banking businesses.
You are an inspiration to the younger ones. What advice do you have for them?
Put in the work and watch your work bring forth. It took me a lot of hard work and dedication for my craft to get to where it is today. I am a nobody who's a somebody today, which means if I can make it, anyone could make it.
Is there any special someone in your life that we should know about before this interview comes to an end?
Yes, there is. Which one is my camera? This one or this one, right?
This one.
Shania, darling, I love you so much. I am sorry for everything I put you through. I want to thank you for staying with me, and I promise you I will be the best man for you.
That is beautiful. You hear it here? The hottest guy in the country has been taken by one Shania, right?
Yeah, Shania.
We wish them all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Most welcome.
Wow, congrats. I'm so happy for you.
I am so sorry for the way I treated you. I just wanted you to feel the way I felt. But trust me, it was hard. Every time you cried, I cried. I will always be there for you. You are my whole heart. Please, forgive me.
I forgive you. God, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, finally. My wish has come to pass. Easy.
She's pretty, she's beautiful, she's an idol and she is a star. She's the dream of every man, yeah. But she's so bossy, so mean, and so full of herself. Oh, she looks down on everybody, yeah. You didn't hear me right. I said she's so bossy, so mean, and so full of herself. And she's living a fake life. She's living a fake life. Oh, she's more of a boss than a queen. So full of herself, so mean to everybody. She's more of a boss than a queen. She's more of a boss than a queen. She's beautiful, she's an idol and she is a star. She's the dream of every man, yeah. But she's so bossy, so mean, and so